In the heart of Corinth, where philosophy and trade flourished, young Lydia found herself at a crossroads. The daughter of a renowned philosopher, she had been immersed in the teachings of the great thinkers from a young age. Yet it was the letters of St. Paul that stirred her soul in ways no other text had. Lydia spent her evenings poring over these words, seeking a deeper understanding. Her father, a staunch advocate of reason and logic, remained skeptical. The clash between the wisdom of the ancients and the teachings of the apostle created a silent tension between them. One evening, Lydia invited Phoebe, a revered elder of the Christian community, and 3 other believers to their home. She hoped their presence would bridge the gap between her father's skepticism and her newfound faith. In the dimly lit study, they gathered around the desk, the air thick with anticipation. Lydia handed Paul's letter to her father, the unspoken question lingering in the air. Could these words hold the key to a higher truth? As her father read, Lydia watched him intently, her heart a mix of hope and apprehension. She sought not only his approval, but a reconciliation of the wisdom she had grown up with and the divine truth she felt in Paul's words. Phoebe's eyes conveyed a silent encouragement, a reminder that faith and reason were not mutually exclusive, but could coexist and enrich one another.